On Sunday, April 21st, the King Palace Banquet in Edison, New Jersey hosted a glamorous pop-up shop by House of Chic, New York, curated by renowned fashion icon Hina Surani and organized by Vandana Puri. Known for its fusion of Indian craftsmanship and global style, House of Chic has been a fashion leader for over a decade. The biannual event showcased designer collections, redefining Indian fashion trends across cities like San Francisco and Beverly Hills. Featuring luxurious ensembles and accessories, the recent New Jersey pop-up presented a blend of traditional Indian aesthetics and modern flair. Take a look.
Hi everyone, this is Millie Rajput and I'm actually at King Palace Dhaba, Edison. So you can see all the beautiful colors around me. So because this is a beautiful selection and collection of summer edit by a lot of designers, and the person who actually is behind this magic is none other than Vandana Malhotra Puri, who is right here. So Vandana, how you feel about it? Because I see all these colors of spring are here, and I'm actually a little confused what to do. Which one to buy, because I love all of them. I love the jewelry and I have tried many jewelries, trust me. And I think I'm going to make a call to my husband and say, you know what, can I get the Mother's Day gift in April? So how do you feel about it? How's the crowd? What are you expecting now?
Thank you, Millie, for coming over, first of all. Yes, it's always a pleasure to bring all these designers from various parts of India and locally from LA, from Kolkata. We have two from Kolkata, two from Mumbai. Then I have Meho here right behind me with Kinjal Modi, and Rajat is right here. It's the trendiest thing. So we are trying to keep up with the fashion quotient. Whatever changes are happening in India is straight away we are bringing them here. So there's no lag at all. And it's always fun to look good. And I love new clothes. And I love to style myself with matching accessories. And Millie, of course, is always so encouraging. Thank you for coming.
Beautiful collection. And all of you, please come and visit right now.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zita Prityani. I'm here for Vandana's exhibition. Every year I try to attend. She has a beautiful collection. All the designers, everything, the jewelry, clothing, everything is so beautiful. And I am picking up this gorgeous dress by Kinjal. It's a beautiful outfit. We picked up few outfits from her and picked a few jewelry pieces. Yeah. So.
Thank you, Neeta. It was a pleasure meeting you. And people, please keep coming and keep shopping.
I'm loving it. It's beautiful collection. And this year, I think they have more designers. And I'm loving it. I'm shopping like crazy.
Hi, this is Nupur Kanoy and I'm here in New Jersey with Vandana and Lopa, and I'm really glad to be here because I'm finding the market to be growing every year. People understand our clothes now. They're more experimental and it's been a great experience. Yes, thank you.
Thank you ITV Gold for joining us today at Spring Summer Edit 2024, and I have with me a really talented designer who's come straight from Kolkata. Very passionate. So Neil, how do you feel? Where's fashion going and how do you think about fashion in New Jersey?
It's quite exciting. It's good to come back. This is our 5th year back in the city. So the response is always good, and we always have had lots of old clientele, and they all the time they come back to us and they repeat orders. So it's great, and plus new faces, and we are also understanding how New Jersey works or the US fashion works. So occasion shopping mostly, but also a lot of casual shopping also, which is great. You know, people like to dress up for smaller events, home events, you know, brunches and things. And styles wise, I think to pinpoint an Indian style is very difficult. India is a myriad, yeah, ever evolving myriad, you know, variety of colors, whether it's florals to stripes to geometrics. But the most important thing is, when you shop from an Indian designer, go have a hand feel of the piece. You know, if they're really good designers, you will find them have got beautiful silks, beautiful cottons, linens. And that's what designer clothes are all about. The hand feel, the finishing, the look and the fit. And that's what we are known for.
Very well said, Neil. Also, I want to say thank you to you, because many years, like maybe 7 to 8 years ago, US was behind Indian fashion. Like, you guys were going ahead and we were stuck somewhere, you know, 5 years behind. But today, because you guys are making the effort and we have created this space, it's really becoming equal now. Like, we are in trend now.
So for us to come down to US means you have direct access to what's happening in the Indian fashion world, and you are not, and the US people or the NRIs are not stuck in a time warp. So we are there every season. At times, actually, about this collection which we have brought here is launched here first, and then is getting launched in India later on.
I love that fact. Like,
Yeah.
we're ahead of them now.
Yeah. So that's what it is. Come, shop.
Thank you so much, Neil.
हाय हाउ आर यू वी आर फाइन. तो जहाँ कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगा. अभी हमने शॉपिंग स्टार्ट ही की है, तो देखने को तो अच्छा लगा, लेकिन कुछ शॉप करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली करके ही जाएंगे. जब भी आते हैं तो अच्छा ही लगता है.
मैं तो ऑलवेज़ यहाँ प्रेजेंट होती हूँ. वेट करते हैं कब एग्जीबिशन आए. हम तो दिन काउंट करते हैं कि कितने दिन रह गए. वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस एग्जीबिशन. बहुत अच्छी कलेक्शन है. अभी स्टार्ट की है शॉपिंग करनी हमने. बहुत अच्छी कलेक्शन है. ऑल डिज़ाइनर्स आर गुड डिज़ाइनर्स फ्रॉम इंडिया. थैंक यू.
सिलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगा. हमने कई सूट खरीद लिए, अब उनसे और भी लेने जाएंगे.
They're very nice couple, and you know, the daughter is getting a gift for the mom. It is so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ITV Gold. I'm here with Hina Surani, the mastermind. जितनी मेहनत ये करती है ये सब चीज़ों को हमारे लिए न्यू जर्सी लाने के लिए. I really appreciate your efforts, Hina. It's not easy to bring 15 vendors, take them all around US, do their, you know, staying, food, everything else, their morale, the inventory, the food. So I really appreciate your effort. And what is your drive? What motivates you? Look at these happy faces around me, you know. You make them happy.
Yes, they are my motivation. So all these happy faces that you see behind me are my motivation, because you know that just drives me to bring all the new designs every time, every year, twice in a year, sorry. And yeah, that's it.
I know Hina is really busy, but let's get one thing out of her. What is your advice to all the shoppers who are coming today? Should they go for the trendiest of clothes or go for the classics?
So we have a lot of trendy drapes with a very traditional cuts, so which is very unusual. Like, you know, if you see Nupur Kanoi's drapes, they are very traditional, but they have a very modern cut. Again, if you see Rajat Tangri's collection, it is like, you know, there are like so many nice Mughal prints with different modern cuts. So I mean, you know, they inspire everyone, like, you know, to live in the modern world with the traditional touch.